Hi, and welcome to a mini lecture on the Achilles tendon. The Achilles tendon is the convergence of the muscle fibers off the gastrocnemius and the soleus muscles, which will insert into your calcaneus and also form the plantar fascia underneath the sole of your foot. The tendon itself is encased or enclosed in what we call a paratendon, allowing for the tendon to be able to glide along these surfaces in order to transmit forces and to stretch and contract as our calf muscle stretches and contracts. The Achilles tendon is extremely thick, full of collagen fibers, and unfortunately has very little blood supply. So therefore, any tear to the Achilles tendon becomes difficult to heal. The healing time for a tear to the Achilles tendon will generally be about 8 to 12 weeks. The tendon is so strong and powerful that because it has connection to the plantar fascia, it will allow for us to run at fast speeds and allows us to push with power off the ground. So have a consideration of how much power you push with when you jump onto a high box, or the power that you need to push with when you're doing a back squat or a deadlift. Additionally, take the consideration to understand how much your body weight is, so when you're running, how much you need to stretch the Achilles tendon. So allowing the tendon to extend under so much body weight when you're sprinting is quite phenomenal. The Achilles tendon will have a lot to do with how the transfer of weight comes up the back of the leg through your calf and into your hamstring. So any shortening or issue with the Achilles tendon will most likely affect your knee and then also most likely affect your hamstrings. When you have this problem, you will then need to treat the entire leg, and your recovery time may take a lot longer than first anticipated, rather than if you just had a tear in your gastrocnemius or calf muscle, for example. I hope this has clarified some issues and thoughts on the Achilles tendon. Extremely important, covers your ankle joint, affects your knee joint, and additionally will affect the bottom of your foot, your plantar fascia. Thank you.